Introducing Gocator 25, 40, and 50. Now you can leverage the same signature blazing fast scan rates of the Gocator 2500 series with the added advantage of wider fields of view for greater scan coverage. Embedded dual-core controller delivers onboard data processing with low latency. Blue Laser delivers cleaner scan data on specular targets such as machined metal surfaces. Built-in multi-sensor networking capability provides even greater scan coverage, and users can even capture 360 degrees of a scan target or multiple views by mixing different 2500 sensor models that optimize for field of view and resolution. Gocator 25, 40, and 50 sensors deliver 3D inspection into many high-speed, larger target applications. Gocator 25, 40, and 50 sensors are also suited to general factory automation applications, where smart 3D robot vision delivers greater automation value.